Hello friends, myself Shubha, Ranger Leader, working in Government First Grade College, Malleshwaram, Bangalore, and Bharat Scouts and Guides, Bangalore North District, Karnataka. Now, I would like to give you a presentation on how to prevent COVID-19 as a part of UDAN project Group B Challenge 11 COVID-19 Awareness. The topics that I will be covering in this presentation is what is COVID-19 and how does it transmit? COVID-19 precautions and symptoms. What should you do if you think you are infected? Are there any treatments available? What preventive measures should you take? And few tips for using a mask and a sanitizer. So what is COVID-19? COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by a new recently discovered novel coronavirus. Now, this new virus and the disease were unknown before the outbreak began in Wuhan, China in December 2019. And so it got the name novel, which means new, coronavirus found in the year 2019. Next, let us understand how coronavirus transmit from one person to another. Now, suppose a person who is a carrier of coronavirus sneezes or coughs, a lot of droplets spread in the air or fall on the ground and the nearby surfaces. And if there is another person nearby and inhales the droplets or touches the infected surfaces and then touches his face or eyes or mouth or nose, he can get infected by virus. Next, this infected person can further infect many more people through social interaction. So, what are the age groups in which the disease spreads? This disease can spread all age groups. It mostly affects older persons and people who are suffering from blood pressure, heart disease, lung disease, cancer, diabetics. So they are all at high risk to develop coronavirus illness. Next, what happens to a person who develops the disease? Here, most of the people, 80%, who get infected requires no treatment and will recover on their own. But 20% may need hospitalization and ventilators. So what are the precautions that we should take to avoid the spread of disease? Means, first, we should avoid touching our eyes, mouth, and nose. Second, we must regularly wash our hands with soap and water or use 70% alcohol-based sanitizers. When the droplets of a contact fall on any surfaces, it may survive for few hours to several days. So it is very important to clean the surfaces with a simple disinfectant and protect ourselves from the disease. So what are the symptoms of this disease? Means a person who has got infected may feel feverish, have sore throat, cough, and shortness of breath. So what treatment is given to a person who has got contact to the virus? Currently, there is no specific treatment or vaccine available for coronavirus infection. But the doctors are using the same drug that is given to any other kind of viral fever. And the patients are advised to continue their regular diet and include more fruits, vegetables to stay healthy. So what steps must we take to control the spread of infection? Means, first we must regularly wash our hands with soap and water for about 20 seconds or use hand sanitizers, especially on coming home from outside. Second, avoid touching our eyes, nose, and mouth. Third, we must maintain at least 4 to 6 feet distance between ourselves and other person who has cough and is sneezing. We must also avoid handshake. Fourth, when you cough or sneeze, use handkerchiefs or bend your elbow and sneeze. Fifth, we should avoid unnecessary travel and participation in any public gatherings and must maintain social distancing. So it is very important to use mask when you are going away from home, and the mask should be made handmade at home. Mostly three-layered cotton masks are better, and it should cover nose and mouth. The helpline numbers for coronavirus is 23978046 and toll-free number 1075. For any recent updates, we can visit the website of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. In Karnataka, we have 14410 helpline called Aptamitra and can get medical advice or assistance and get the doubts clarified. So thank you all friends for listening, and I hope you all follow the preventive measures of spread of coronavirus. Finally, I thank my principal and the staff of Government First Grade College Malleshwaram and the Bharat Scouts and Guides Karnataka and the Bharat Scouts and Guides India for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.